do that?
Yeah.
You would do that? The whole your man.
I want to tell this man bumbo class story, my yo.
But you see how some people funny. Don't me ask him the question the proper way first. This man declare himself, say him not in the argument.
I'm being said, me say easy does it. So me never say yes.
Yeah.
But it's a pressure man, it's me and my man. I do it, man. Just talk a story, man.
Me just say if me think a woman not put himself in a position for him all him man. Instead of you have to go make a Obeah man all your man for you.
Yeah, that's right.
You understand what I mean now? So where you think? Nothing a woman all should have good enough.
Of course.
For all him man.
Of course.
So what the problem make you did have to go to the Obeah man?
Hey, what the problem? Eh?